accused person is still presumed innocent
omwawaabirwa akyatwalibwanga atalina musango
until proved guilty by the state
akakasiddwa omuwaabi wa gavumenti
or if she voluntarily proves guilty. Midday or 11? Midday?
11. Should be better take a tentative time of midday.
I don't want to kill your day, but you find the council's day is completely spoiled.
Maybe court may guide, but since council is much briefly and sincerely, the state attorney will be available, and since it is available for most of us.
It is true, but in some of these matters, you find the clients are so much attached to their lawyers more than us who are serving government to decide. So what the lawyer advises tend to have more, to carry some weight, okay, especially in the spirit of. The accused person, Bagenyi Verona, a female adult aged 54 years of age, Mufumbira by tribe, housewife, resident of Mutundwe, Rubaga Division, Kampala District, stand charged with the offense of concealing a deed contrary to section 259 of the Penal Code. Her lawyers led by Counsel Nsereko Sauda applied for her bail, which was opposed by the land residents senior state attorney. This court has had the opportunity of hearing both sides, looked at the sureties presented, and a couple of documents introducing the sureties to court. Article 23, 6A and C of the 1995 Constitution of Uganda as amended provides for a right to accuse the person to apply for bail. The grant of the same is the discretion of court. Guided by the law. Under Article 28.3A of the 1995 Constitution of Uganda as amended, the accused person is still presumed innocent until proved guilty by the state or if she voluntarily proves guilty. Section 75-77 of the Magistrate Courts Act states standards that must be met by the applicant applying for bail in court. Among them is the nature of the offense, whether the applicant has a fixed place of abode, whether the applicant has substantial sureties, whether the applicant has letters of introduction and an identification document, the 2022 Constitutional Court Bail Guidelines also sets conditions for the applicant applying for bail in court. The land state attorney objected to the bail application, submitting that according to the information provided by the investigating officer, through her affidavit in opposition to bail,
ng'ayita mu kiwandiiko ekyaweebwa mu kweyimirirwa kuno.
The applicant in this case, she avers that the applicant in this case is threatening the life of the complainant, Mr. Kamaali.
Kigambibwa nti omuwawaabirwa atiisatiisa omuwaabi.
That she is a violent person,
Era nga muntu wa bulabe ddala,
even during her arrest,
nga ne baali bamukwata
she assaulted the police officers,
yatuusa obulabe ku
her
basirikale
and her children.
ye n'abaana be.
That once she is released on bail,
Nti era bw'anaateebwa mu kweyimirirwa
she is likely to commit other offences.
asuubirwa okuba ng'ajja kukola emisango emirala.
In rejoinder, in reply,
Mu kwanukula,
counsel for the applicant submitted that such evidence, such information was not evidenced,
omuwolereza w'omuwawaabirwa agamba nti nno tewali bujulizi bulaga ku ekyo,
prove those allegations,
obuteekawo obujulizi ku ekyo
that her
kimugoba,
client is still innocent
nti omuntu we ye talina musango
until this honorable court proves otherwise.
paka ng'eno kooti eraga nti alina omusango.
This court has had the opportunity of hearing this case right
Kooti
from
eno
the
efunye
beginning.
omukisa oguwulirizibwa enjuyi zombi okuva ddala ku ntandikwa,
It has seen the tempers of parties.
erabye obusungu ku njuyi zombi,
They are quite high.
era nti obusungu buno buli wala.
Both parties need to calm down
Enjuyi zombi zeetaaga okukakkana
and proceed legally,
zitambulire mu mateeka,
since they are all represented
kubanga bonna
by their respective lawyers.
balina bannamateeka baabwe.
The state submitted that the applicant for this bail application needs to surrender the said title deeds to court,
Omwami wa gavumenti agamba omwawaabirwa alina okuwanika eri kooti,
needs to submit the title
erina
deeds
okuleeta ebyapa mu maaso ga kooti
as an assurance
ng'okukakasa
that she is committed to justice.
nti ayagala obwenkanya.
This can be handled through an amicable mediation
Kino kirina kukolebwa nga bafunye okutabagana
between parties.
wakati w'enjuyi zombi.
I need to remind parties
Ekooti eno erina okujjukiza enjuyi zombi
that at this stage of the trial,
nti kwekuno okuwoza
the accused person is still presumed innocent in the face of the law.
omwawaabirwa akyatwalibwa ng'omuntu atalina musango mu mateeka.
It is her conduct during the hearing of this case
empisa ze mu kuwuliriza omusango guno
that can maybe prove otherwise,
kye kiyinza okulaga nti nno
or the evidence produced against her.
oba obujulizi obuleeteddwa mu kooti buyinza okulaga nti alina omusango.
For instance, the state submitted that she is a violent person
Okugeza omwami wa gavumenti yagamba nti nno omuntu wa
who
bulabe
may attack the complainant while on bail.
ayinza okutaakiriza omuwaabi nga kooti.
If that is done with evidence,
Ekyo bwe kikolebwa n'obujulizi,
then it can convince this court to determine otherwise.
ekyo kisobola okulaga ekooti erina okulaga nti alina omusango.
This court was made aware
Eno kooti yamanyisibwa
that this offense originated from the family conflict or disagreements.
nti omusango guno gwava mu butabanguko mu maka.
Such a matter can be handled maturely
Omusango we guti gusaana okukwatibwa mu
in a civil manner
mu ngeri ya kutegeera
without putting anybody on gunpoint.
nga tewali ateereddwa ku mudumu gw'emmundu.
I will therefore exercise the discretion of this honorable court.
N'olwekyo amaanyi g'ekkooti eno nga genda kukola.
I will therefore exercise the discretion of this honorable court
N'olwekyo ekkooti eno egenda kukozesa
and release the accused person on bail on the following terms.
okuta omwawaabirwa mu kweyimirira wakati wa
Condition number 1.
ekyetaagisa ekisooka.
The accused person is released on bail of Uganda shillings 3 million cash
Omwawaabirwa agenda teebwa kakalu ka kkooti ku bukadde 3 obwa obuliwo.
Each surety is bonded to pay 15 million non-cash.
Buli amweyimirira
15 million.
obukadde 15 obutali bwa buliwo.
The accused person is ordered to be of good conduct while on bail
Omwawaabirwa ategeezebwa okweyisa obulungi bw'aba nga
and to
azzeeyo
respect
ewaka
the court orders
n'okuwa ebiragiro bya kkooti ekitiibwa
and its used for hearing of this case.
n'okuwa engeri gy'agenda omusango guno.
Number 3.
Ekyoku
The accused person is ordered not to interfere with the position witnesses while on bail
omwawaabirwa ategeezebwa nti talina kwetaba ku ngeri y'okunoonyaamu obujulizi ng'ali ku bbeeyi.
ordered not to interfere with the prosecution witnesses
Talina kutabagana na bajulizi nga bali mu kuwuliza omusango guno.
The accused is ordered to desist from any violent conduct while on bail.
Omwawaabirwa ategeezebwa okwewala engeri yonna etikola obulabe ng'ali mu kweyimirirwa.
Both parties are hereby ordered to be civil
Enjuyi zombi zitegeezebwa kweyisa mu ngeri ennungi ey'obuntu
as this case is going on.
ng'omusango guno gugenda mu maaso.
It is so ordered.
Kiragiddwa.
Now, this case is going to come on 17th of February 2025
Omusango
at
guno
midday
gunakomawo nga 17 omwezi ogwokubiri emisana.
formation.
Okubiri.
Before I take the leave of this matter, Peter and your colleagues, put down